Hello and welcome to Sylvan Mist Designs. Today we're going to be doing just a couple of ornaments. These are clear acrylics that I got. I actually picked these up at Michael's. Now they are covered with two-sided film, so I'm going to take this off. Going to get that off of both of them. And then as you can see here, I've just kind of pre-drawn a little grid, and I'm going to get that set on there. And I've got just a small little bit of tape. So once I've got this nice and centered, actually, let's make sure that it's correct. Okay. And I'm just going to tape that down just to make sure that it doesn't move. Okay, now I'm going to be doing them in tandem just to make sure that the pattern that I'm making is going to be consistent between the two. Today I'm only going to be using 3 colors. I've got the Decor Deep Burgundy, Buttermilk, and Honey Brown. For the accents that I'll put on top, I am using the Champagne Gold. If you're wanting to follow along today, I actually use the Happy Dotting Company tools. Now, the tools that I'm going to be using today, I'm only going to go up to a 6. As you can see here, I've got 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and a 1. And then I've got one of my dotting tools. This is actually my go-to tool for swooshes. I just use the 0.5 end, which is a touch sharper than the other ends. You can use whatever you like. One thing that I will mention about the tools, if you are not using the same tools that I am, that's perfectly fine. However, make sure that, for example, if I pull out a tool and I show you it's going to be a 5.5, this 5.5 is the Happy Dotting Company tool. It is a flat-headed tool. You need to make sure that you are using a flat-headed tool if you want to match the size precisely. Okay, if you are using a round-tipped tool, something like the nail art tools, this 3, for example, will not be the same as this 3, okay, on the nail art tool. Okay, you will need to increase your size and possibly significantly if you are going to be using something like a rounded tipped tool. If you have any concerns about this, as you can see the grid that I've laid out here, now each of the lines out are going to be 1 inch apart. Okay, so as I go through this, you'll kind of see where they fall on the grid. So that should help you with your dot sizes. And the other point is I have used a 16-point template as well. Okay, as we get into it, I will not be verbally walking you through this. However, I will be showing the tool sizes as we progress, and I'll be back when we're done. have it. I did go ahead and add in the little string that they had included for a tie on these, and now these are completely finished. Now I am actually only going to do one side of these, but if you choose, the top dots that we applied with the gold and the burgundy, you could actually apply to the other side if you chose to as well. But again, that's one set done.